James TBT. Now we have show you about the repotting for this new seedlings of desert rose. This desert rose I starting to plant last March 5th of March 2021. So almost March, April, May, June, July, August, almost 5 months. Desert rose. Look, it's so healthy. And now I'm doing now to repotting this desert rose so it become healthy and bigger. So now guys, this one is finished for repotting. Look how healthy is this, my desert rose. And then I show you what potting mix I use for this to repot this new seedlings desert rose. I have here from the compost. This one is almost I make this compost almost a year. This one is all the recycle food, vegetable. I put it in the compost. So this one is a healthy soil. And then I mix this one for the coconut it says grind coconut husk. Look, I mix this one to the soil in my compost. And then I mix here. This one is one of my mixed soil. I mix this coconut grind and then my compost soil, and then I mix this one. So I put it in the pot like this, and then when you put it in the pots like this, you put a little bit. This one is my cactus succulent fertilizer. This fertilizer I use always for the desert rose. This one, a little bit only. When you put in the top, not on the bottom, or don't mix in the soil, but put it in the top only when you do repotting. And now I'll show you guys how to repot my desert rose seedlings. And then after I put the seedlings here, I put a little bit premium potting mix, cactus succulent. This one is Osmocot. I buy it in Bunnings. This potting mix is exclusive only for the cactus and succulent mix. This one is a premium potting mix. Only a little bit I put this one. Well, now I show you how to make to do a repotting in my in this pot. Okay guys, and then when you get these seedlings, be careful for the damage for the roots. Use this one for easy to get the seedlings. So like this. Look, one healthy seedlings. And then I'll show you how to put these seedlings into pot. Don't put in up to this, only here. So the bulb is getting bigger when only the roots will put in the potting mix like this. Make a little hole like this, a little hole on your finger, and then put this one like that. See, only here in the white area, and the last of the roots, this one. Then put it, and then see. That one, only the roots will put in the dirt, in the potting, in the soil. And then put a little bit this one, a little bit only like this. All done. And then, when you put a water, just spray a little bit. Like, I'll get my water to show you how to spray. Moist on, put like moist only when you put water. Like this. Spray. The spray here, sit it in the little spray only. Like that. And then, look, that one. A little bit wet for the water. And then, you put this one in the shaded area before you put it in the sunny area. We need to establish first this plant before you put it outside in the under the sun. So, maybe you can put this one in the shaded area and almost a month. After a month, it's ready to put in the sunny area. Okay guys, thank you for the watching of my YouTube channel. Hope you learn my video about how to repotting the new seedlings desert rose to be healthy like this. And now guys, I'll show you where I put my new desert rose seedlings, new repot seedlings desert rose. I put it here because it's a shaded area, a little bit sunlight going through in this area. So I put it here. And then when you water this one, only once a week. You water this new seedlings once a week. Okay guys, I hope you can learn this how to repot my new seedlings and make a healthy desert rose plant. Thank you guys for your watching. Hope you enjoy my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And then thank you guys to all your support. And God bless us all. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you.